Hello, you are welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Bope Tech TV. If today is your first time being in my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime that I upload a new video. And I appreciate if you hit on the like button. Last but not the least, and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section because it matters to me a lot.
How to earn money online. Are you sad? Don't be sad. I got you covered because COVID-19 make people lose their jobs and other platforms are out to help people to earn money online to cover some of their bills before their jobs are appeal in approval for them to go to work. For us not to waste time, let's jump into this. Now when you finish registering, this is how your dashboard will look like. Check in the description, there is a link there. Tap in the link and it will move you to a register form. Let me move to a place where I'm going to teach you how to register. Now this is how the video you are watching may look like, and when you type in here in the description, it may be like this. Just type on this more and scroll down. Tap on the first link. As you see, the link will be in the description. Just tap on it to move you to this registering form. Let me teach you how you are going to register this. This is how the register form is. Automatically the referral code will be in it here. So you enter your username, your mobile number, your password, and confirm it. And here you just request for a code and type on register. And after you finish registering, this is how the dashboard of your website is going to look like. So I already have an account. I'll definitely log into my account. So when you log into the account, this is how the accounts look like. Now, these are how we are going to make money from this platform. Let's read something about this. The name of this website is called Flow, which is flc888.com. So they said COVID-19 relief insurance package. So this website is out of due to this COVID-19. We have the VIP 0. Now, share income 365 days. It means this website, when you purchase anything, is for 1 year. So if you want, you can download it. You can download the app. And this is the team, the dealer here, daily tax and notice. So now, every day there is a spin for you to spin, and you earn by your lucky. You can even spin a day and earn to your minimum withdrawal threshold, and the minimum withdrawal is 20 Ghana cedis. So what you need to do is, if you are ready to make the money free, as we know in Bope Tech TV, we make money online free. You go into the middle one, which is where they write game. the wheel is spinning. So you tap on the wheel. You pop out like this, and they'll ask you to roll the wheel, and you earn any percentage. Now you can earn this thank you. This thank you is for free. When you earn it, you won't earn anything. And the minimum of this start from 2, 10, 20, 40, 60 up to 100. So if you're lucky and you earn 100, which is 100 cedis like that, and if you also earn thank you, it means you're not going to earn anything. In every day they'll give you free spins for you to spin. But when you refer someone to register with your link, you are going to earn 10 free spins, so which are going to roll the spin, and you may likely to earn what you earn. So I already spin my own. I'm going to show you my spin proof of what I earn. So they'll ask you to press on this go, and the spin will roll, and any amount that it picks for you is what you earn. But if you want to earn more, as others are always saying that we want to earn more, as I used to say, this online jobs does never make someone rich. It helps you pay some of your activities when you are even broke. It doesn't give you money instantly. Sometimes it may take up to a week or a month. You don't just make money as instantly. So if you want to earn this by also purchasing or buying something, but I always said the investment now is risk. Let's see Pony International. Some people invested and they were earning more, so they started to invest more. Now they run with others' money, and when you even go to their pages, they used to put pornographics there. So it's just like an isolate something. It's been for almost 1.5 years now, and they run away. So that is how this one can also be. A new website just pop out when you start to earn. So try to earn the free one. The later you get free is better than the investment you make and lost. So I already said, if you are ready to earn more and you want to buy this, the first one to buy a price is 50 Ghana cedis. So in every day, in every hour rather, you earn 0.1 cedis, which is 10 pesos. So 10 pesos times 24 is going to be 2 cedis, 40 pesos per day. So when you buy this per day, you earn 2 cedis, 40 pesos, including your daily taxes and the promo they'll give you as a daily tax when you purchase this, and your spin you are going to what spin. So this is how they are. So when you buy 150, this is what you earn. When you buy 500, 1 cedi. If you buy 1,000, this. If you buy 2,000, this. And if you buy this, that is how it follows down to 10,000. So now, the more, if you are to use free or whatever, you want to also earn more, the referral is also there. As we all know, referral means to bring someone into something to earn a commission as it is. So when you type on share, a window or a new page will pop out. They say invest and make a lot of money. That is the motto of this. So this is your referral code. When you copy it, now these are the prospectus of this, their referral something. Oh sorry, this is the prospectus of this, their referral something. So you read down and you know more about it. Here is unemployment insurance partners pay dividends on an hourly basis and settle within 24 hours. If you invite friends to invest in insurance, you can get up to 15% of your friends' income as a commission, and the commission reward level is level 3. Friends who scan your QR code to register will become your subordinates. Friends registered through your invitation link will become your subordinate. Friends register and fill in the invitation code become your subordinate. So this is how it is. As we know, whenever you refer someone to any website, they pay you. This one, when you are using the free member, you won't earn money, but you will earn a spin. You'll be earning the spin to be rolling, and likely you may earn something. So this is how it is. They said you may only reward 50% when the person purchase level 3. So which is it the 200 Ghana cedis own. So there you can earn 15% of the person income. That's how it is. So I will not say because you are my viewers, I will tell you go and purchase this and I'll earn an income by my selfishness. So I'm telling you, be wise. Don't invest, try to earn the free. When you earn free in many websites, it's better than you investing to earn in one website just by relaxing in it and you lost. As this the video before this one, see, I was telling you what I experienced when I was even searching for videos to come out, the money I lost. So be very careful while watching YouTube videos. Sometimes we bring videos out for our content just to grow our YouTube channel without seeking for the viewers help. And as you made it to help people make money online, you need to bring a skill and verify and a good legit website for them, not for them to lose their money. That's why I'm always saying, always try the free one than the investing one. I have many invested platforms that I can bring out, but due to that losses and all these things, I don't want to be bringing them out. That's why I'm always looking for the free ones. So this is just a newly website. It's here for almost half a year. So let's go to the second one, which is earning. So you go and see your earnings there. It was yesterday that I registered this, and I thought it was not even legit, and a friend of mine showed me a proof, the Rodora proof, before I said, okay, let me make a video for my viewers. So they said the FLC total income available. This is how you be earning your accumulator of your hourly when you buy a coupon, and your hourly earning will be coming for 1 year. So that's it is. Those you receive and your more benefit will be here, but your main this thing will be here. Let's go here. Your main balance, which is your current balance, is this, and the minimum withdrawal is 20 cedi. So this is my 2 days. I got 5 cedi. Let's say tomorrow I've been able to earn 2 cedi again. So in tomorrow next, maybe let's say in 6 days, I may be in withdraw the 20 cedi to also see whether it's true that the guy said he received his money. Will I also receive? I want some of you to receive your money with me. As I said, this one I did not receive it personally. As I said, a friend of mine showed me a drawer proof, and as I read some of their things and I even chat with their customer service, I see that it's just like Pony International for the first thing like this is pure, but when they are running on losses, they are also trying to steal your money and run. So be very careful. These are some of it. They said recharge, withdraw, and record. So anything you do, you can even transfer money from this to a different account. I can transfer my money from here to your account. You can also transfer money from your account to my account when you become like you purchase. So that is how this website look like. They do not make it for the free people because you can create multiple accounts and be transferring the daily amount into your this and be withdrawing. That's what they do with that. So if anything here is bothering you, let's just talk about how we set our withdrawal days, and boom, we'll meet for the next time. So type on in the withdrawal. Now they ask you, I just set my withdrawal. This is, they said you can modify it. So let's type on this modify and teach you something. They say your real name, your bank status. So when you type on this bank status, you have Agriculture Development Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, Ghana Commercial Bank, the Bank of Ghana, EcoBank, Ghana Commercial Bank, the Bank of West Africa, Stanbic Bank, Vodafone, and Momo. So which is the MTN mobile money. So I use Voda. I prefer Voda. That's why I use Voda. So any of them you want, or if it's bank you want to use, just type on it. And when you type, let's say you type on Momo, they'll ask you to fill in. So when you type on this Momo, it will bring here, you enter your number, which is your phone number at the card side, and your ID that you used to register more money. So the number you used to register this website, they'll ask you to send a code and receive it. When you just receive the code, you save it, and that's all. Your thing will be there. So anytime you reach your 20 cedi plus, you can withdraw. Thank you. And if this is helpful to you, please give this video a thumbs up. I'm pleading you, when you subscribe to this channel, please turn on the notification bell. Please always turn on the notification bell if this is your first time watching this. And if you know you're already a member, please just give this video a thumbs up. I'm seeing that our subscribers are going high, but the viewing threshold is always low. Sometimes you put a video, 15 people, 20, 30 people can watch. Please help us get more views. We want more views. Now we bypass our threshold of limit in subscribing of this and the watch hour. We are in the monetization process. Now we are waiting for payment, and I said if this payment threshold can, we are not going to eat it and leave our viewers and subscribers alone. Anything that we earn here will bring it out for you to see, and we will make sure we grow the channel and all of us will benefit from it. We use the money to make researches and get more website like this and bring you. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let us go viral. Thank you. I will meet once again.